No, mango lassi.
DIARIES masala DIARIES.
So this mushroom is really nice. If you've had this before, do you want this one as well?
I'm getting used to it. It's a whole new experience.
Malatang. Lala. कत्रो ठुलो बोल. टन यहाँ छ. Oh my gosh, कति धेरै खाने.
Well, wait, it's gonna be too much, right? Wait, because you only get like evil stuff. What is this? Oh, so it's like, that's like tofu? No. Well, like, plain mushroom. So this mushroom is really nice. If you've had this before, do you want this one as well? You want some?
Yeah.
You
How
don't
about
want-
you?
Oh, I don't know. I'll back on this. And then, what are you think? So you can get one if you want to try it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, an octopus.
I love octopus.
Oh, you want to try? Oh, wow, it's an actual. Oh, squid, I mean, squid. Wait, gotta get rid of the wall. Oh, okay.
Oh
You should've used
yeah.
this. Yeah? But it's just the outfit.
Outfit, yeah.
So I like these. Which base do you like?
Malachang! I'm so excited to have this one. Ooh. Yeah, it's good. आज चाहिँ हामी नेपाली खाना खान जाँदैछौँ. के खान जाला रे? थकाली खान जाँदैछौँ. बालाई टेस्ट गराउन जाँदैछौँ अनि पछाडि अनार छ. Yeah. हामी चाहिँ अहिले ह्यारिस पार्कमा एकचोटि आइपुग्यो and it's my first time here. I'm looking forward to have yummy food.
Yeah.
Your friend in our middle, the dean of our like.
मेनु चाहिँ यस्तो छ. हामी चाहिँ के खान लाग्यो? मोमो प्ल्याटर खान लाग्यो. सरी. अनि त्यसपछि ढेरवटा भात खान लाग्यो. माथि डेकोरेसन चाहिँ दामी छ.
No, a mango lassi.
DIARIES
I
मसला
like that
DIARIES.
as well.
यो चाहिँ नेपाली खाजा चाहिँ तामा पनि छ. मलाई तामा मनै पर्दैन. मोमो आइपुग्यो. लास्टै कालो भएछ है. चाहिँ के छ यो कोठी मोमो, फ्राई मोमो अनि त्यसपछि स्टिम मोमो, त्यसपछि छोइला मोमो.
How's the momo?
Good, lovely, really nice. But we're done with that one, thank you. But it's lovely, we're enjoying them a lot.
I love this one.
Oh, you want to keep that?
Yeah, we can have
Tama.
this. Thank you.
Is this the one where you pull off the
This is the one we were talking about earlier, like last week.
yeah
You
the
remember?
chewy one?
Yeah, but this one is of kodo.
Well, I better practice.
Yeah, you have to practice. Rosu help him to wash his hands.
I can do it.
तर कति थोरै रहेछ ऊ के अरे गुन्द्रुक. साग अचार डल्लो बनाउने अनि
You need to do it.
No, because I don't. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Try one more time.
okay, just tell us.
I'm getting used to it. It's a whole new experience.
We had a really good experience here. You're welcome. Man paryo. Why is that momos? It's momo.
Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect.
So you can customize your orders as well, I think, in this kind of buneko wala. So I think she is very creative, guys. I am in love with this. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, Asuka, for your effort and for your time to make these sets, and I really love it. Overall, I'm in love with everything. So big shout out to this beautiful and talented girl. So guys, please go and check out her Insta.
So this is good. This is very good.
So हामी चाहिँ यहाँ च्यासुको कोरियन बारबिक्युमा छौँ होइन, तर मलाई बसेको नामै थाहा भएन।
It's fun, right? Interesting and fun.
What is
that? That's what Brian something.
It looks like pizza.
Oh, this one, yeah, sure. Can we have chopsticks?
We have in here. So this is for 3.
I never have because it has to be personal.
This is big.
Why can't we can give it to them? Yeah, we can give it to them. Because they give it to them. Because it's warranty to them. So you have to
Put this one in.
yeah.
And she's from Korea. She's from Korea, that's why we are having Korean food.
It is. Let's put choice back.
Let's sign up.
Why is it
अहिले चाहिँ हामी आइसक्रिम खाँदैछौँ आफ्टर। यो चाहिँ प्यासन फ्रुट अनि मेरो चाहिँ के हो बिर्सेँ मैले।